Hello folks, today we're doing a railroad bridge inspection, and now this is something that we just come out here. Civil engineers normally do this, or other type of engineers, but I was just asked to come out and get my opinion, see where we stand with it, to see if it take it any further. But you see, I got some major crackage going on here. First, let's look over here. See that? That's like 1930s. I mean, so this thing is almost 100 years old. So it's really held in here well. But you see how I got my rebar right up in here, kind of really getting all, it's just falling apart. Actually, I don't even see any rebar. Now I'm getting up a little closer. Hang on here, we got a truck coming through here. But look over here, you can see how it's actually cracked. So yeah, this is a bad bridge. It's gonna need some serious work. Now look over here. You can see it's cracking right here. Oh, there goes the train right over the top of it. That's me. Wow. Okay. So now I'm gonna back off here, but look here. As you can see, a crackage coming down through here. This is what you're looking for. Anyway, folks, thank you for watching our videos. I hope it's been educational. Hey, if you like our videos, hit like and subscribe, follow. We can sure use extra support, and more people get a chance to share. Have a great day, folks. Look at the train. Ain't that cool? I told you it was an old railroad train. What bridge? Have a great day, folks.